Oh yeah, today I'm super tired. But y'all know what time it is. It is workout time. So let's freaking do it. Whoa, something is happening here. I think they want to save the climate. That's what they're talking about, at least. I agree. Let's save the freaking climate. Good on you guys. Keep on doing that. I'm on my way to buy a camera lens. Then home again, do some more cleaning. Actually, I cheated a bit because I ordered home cleaning service. A guy took care of my windows and the toilet as well. Had to scrub like the walls of the toilet, stuff like that. And I just felt like, fudge, I don't want to do that. I don't even want to clean at all because I'm a lazy person. But some amount of cleaning I'll have to do after I've done this. Fellas, we will talk later. Take care. Okay, so here we are. This is the place where I could be taking the subway every single day in, 2 months? Kind of like it. Nature, rain, even snowflakes. No, those are not snowflakes. It's just those little things when Poland comes. But yeah, let's head to the place. Down by the ocean. Or this is not the ocean, this is a lake? Yeah, I think so. A lake. But look at this place. Listen to it. Listen to the quietness, the silence, quietness. This is super cozy. Like this, you have mountains like Grötvik in Halmstad. Or like Gothenburg. Super nice area. Super nice area. And here we have a duck. Hello, duck. Hello, Mr. Duck. MacDuck. Now I'm gonna head back to Söder. Probably gonna meet up with Tarek tonight. It's not gonna be a super long hangout because I need to get home and get to work on stuff because I haven't got enough time to do stuff. So I need to begin working on my portfolio, for example. And that is about it, I think. Guys, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll talk in the morning.